Everybody, I am Dr. Anumeha Bhagat, a medical professional and living in the beautiful city of Chandigarh. As part of my medical training, I am involved in the teaching and training of medical students. Another part of my work is to conduct research and to publish articles. As a result of this, I have published several scientific articles in various peer reviewed journals of repute. If I look back, my passion towards writing goes even beyond my medical career. I started writing poetry way back during my adolescence, and over years I have written several poems. And this book, Musings of the Mind, which I have published, is a collection of all such endeavors right from my adolescence till my medical school days and even beyond that. And these poems I have managed to write in the time which I could steal between my personal and professional commitments. The present COVID times are really a challenge for all of us. Each day there are new stories of COVID 19 and we have to deal with them on a daily basis. The best thing still is to adhere to the three safety measures, that is, hand hygiene, social distancing, and wearing a mask in public places and even at work. We need to take care of our health with the utmost precaution in these times and even beyond these times, because health is the best investment we can make in life. So, in order to be healthy, there are several domains and dimensions of being healthy, and health is not just about physical health but about mental health, social health, and even spiritual health. So, in these times, when we have got enough time to reflect on ourselves, and we should think of all these aspects of health and try to figure out how we can achieve each dimension of health. The better prepared we are, the better we will be able to face all these challenges of COVID times. And I again repeat that even beyond the COVID times, we need to be prepared for facing each day to its best of its capability. A person who is in sync with himself and with nature can embark upon any work that he does and can be very much successful in that. So, the mantra of life is to be healthy, to be peaceful, and to radiate that peace all around, so much so that it reflects in the work that you do. I want to convey to my readers that writing is not a single day's job. It requires a lot of concentration and a lot of consistency, and a lot of motivation is also needed. And where does one look for motivation and inspiration? Obviously, it is nature and no one else. Be it the gurgling of the river, the rising of the sun, the chirping of the birds, and the twinkling of the stars, wherever we look, nature inspires us to the extreme end. And with the inspiration that we draw from nature, we can make wonders happen in whatever we do. I have recently published a poetry book by the name Musings of the Mind. This poetry book is a collection of several poems which I have compiled over the years. And there are poems with the title Pretense, Emotions, Misfortune, Fate, and even towards the end, we come to titles like In the Far West, If It Is True, You and Me, and few poems which talk about the COVID situation as well as the ICU experience. A unique feature of this book is that each poem is accompanied by beautiful artwork, and all of these abstract paintings have been made by me during the lockdown period. So the emotions in the poem are beautifully portrayed by the artwork that accompanies it. For example, there is a poem, Lost in the Woods, and a beautiful painting accompanies this poem. Similarly, there is another one with the title Go On Walking, and this poem again is accompanied by a very beautiful painting in this poetry book. So I urge my readers to go ahead, explore more, and read more. The other projects that I have planned up are writing another poetry book and also writing a novel, and I have written a lot of things which are there lying in my closet ready for re-exploration, and let's see how everything unfolds in 2021. I would like to thank the entire team of NE8X for giving me this opportunity to talk about my work, to interact with my readers, and also display my work in brief. And this has really been a very motivating factor. And I wish my readers all the best. Keep reading, exploring more books, and try to do all the good work that you plan to do to spread peace and happiness in the world. Thank you, NEATEX, once again for giving me this platform to showcase my talent. Thanks.